Welcome back, innovators. I'm Phil Cutting, founder of Lion Pro Dev, and today we're diving into one of the most disruptive technologies and forces in business we have today, artificial intelligence, AI. This is part of our Disruptive Innovation series, and today's topic is how AI is reshaping the entire industry. Everything from healthcare to finance, and AI is everywhere, from diagnosing diseases to managing your investments. AI is transforming all industries around us, and it's reshaping the way that companies operate, and it's reshaping the way consumers are expected to integrate and operate with various companies. And this is not just revolutionary, but it's taken us to the next step in healthcare. It's taken us beyond in finance. And the question is becoming, what's next? What's going to come into the future for us? And what is AI going to affect and how it's going to change our lives? So today, we're going to go and break down some of the specific industries that's driving some of this change and backed by real world examples, market data, and some exciting insights. So let's dive right in. The biggest changes that we're seeing lately is in healthcare. So AI is improving diagnostics, where it's enabling more accurate and faster diagnostics through pattern recognition and medical images. AI now is probably better at generally picking up patterns than people are. And they can get into much more minute detail than even we can as people. So this is super exciting. An example is IBM's Watson health system, and it uses AI to analyze medical images, reducing diagnosis errors by 20%. And here's a table comparing some of the diagnostic accuracy between traditional methods and AI-based methods. So we see that AI is recognizing around 90% of patterns that professionals are looking for. Traditional methods are finding around 80% accurate. That's a 16% improvement. Insane. Not just that, pattern recognition for image processing, but AI is also shortening the drug development process by analyzing large data sets. If we look at DeepMind's AlphaFold, it reduces the time for protein folding analysis, which is critical for drug development, and it's enhanced this by over 70%. Obviously, this is going to save millions in R&D, and it's going to bring treatments to the markets far faster in the coming future. And I've heard other stories where AI is also building the case study structure, and we're able to use it to help create theories and to create the test form. And then researchers are spending more time doing the testing and less time even looking over the results, because it's helping finding those patterns and helping validate some of the information right away. So it's really exciting what I think is going to happen with medicine coming up here. The AI in the healthcare industry, AI is projected to grow from 11 billion, which it was in 2021, to 188 billion by 2030. And I'll be surprised if it doesn't shoot far beyond that, based off of where we're seeing things heading. And that's a lot of fun. Now I'm going to have a chart that I'll show you in a minute, but let's talk about finance. Algorithmic trading, risk management, and fraud detection are some of the big categories. And AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, which help predict market movements and execute trades faster than any human can. If we look at Renaissance Technologies, they use AI to manage around $130 billion worth of portfolio with annual returns at 39%. Just Warren Buffett, good luck, right? There's going to be a graph. I'm going to show that further down. And risk management, right? We're able to analyze markets. We're able to analyze other financial institutions. We're looking at checking real-time data. And JP Morgan is using this with their Coin AI system, which reviews legal documents at lightning speed and identifies potential financial risks. and also, just looking at stuff that's going on in the market to help them be more creative, finding more potential risks, and also seeing how that risk is going to affect the opportunity for the particular investments. And also recognizing the patterns for those investments to see if really they're as successful or not. Fraud detection, it's a big thing, right? For example, PayPal uses AI to reduce financial losses by 60%. And here's the charts, right? So in finance, from year 2021, the market size was around $96 billion. In 2026, it's projected to be 26.67 billion. That's supposed to be 126.67 billion. All right, here's a quick table showing AI powered financial services and their market shares. We have robo advisors at 35%. Good job, Robo. Fraud detection at 25%. Credit scoring at 20%, automated trading 15%, and personalized banking solution at 5%. So this is where we're using these tools inside the financial services. Now, AI in retail, this is pretty exciting, right? So we're all expecting personalized everything nowadays, right? Why not? With the technologies there. So AI is going to tailor product recommendations based off of consumers' behavior. We have a lot of this. We've been seeing this for probably about a decade now. It's just getting really ramped up and amazing. Amazon AI algorithms generate around 35% of its revenue through personalized product recommendations. So that's not things that people came to see, but these are things that they decided to purchase based off being displayed items that match their interests, both in historical references and in things that they're doing at the moment. Okay. And just to see the impact, we see that Amazon is looking at that 35%. Netflix, with their recommendation models, boasts a 75% impact on their sales. Good job, Netflix. And we could dare say, like TikTok, you can say it's like the 100% of that is the ability to improve AI search with AI algorithms and the way that they feed things to you. So it's in almost everything we use nowadays. And if you're building products, I can't see how you would not consider, at least in the intimate to long run, how you could include AI to help bring value to that product. Okay, supply chain management. It's going to help predict demand, automates restocking in retail stores. Also, we know that we have our trends, right, for Christmas or for Halloween and Thanksgiving, right? All these events, those are the big ones, right? People are fairly good to recognize those, but there's micro events throughout the year. Maybe it's seasonal holidays, maybe it's community fairs, right? A lot of stuff that'd be hard for us to pick up on. AI is whittling that down and helping organize the retail sector to increase its profits. And we should consider, if we have an e-commerce site, how can we use AI to help us predict what trends we should be preparing for? In market analysis and retail, it's expected to grow from 5 billion that it was in 2021 to 31.8 billion by 2028, with a return of 38% year over year, 34%. Okay, automotive, how nuts, right? So we cannot talk about Elon and Tesla, AI powered automotive, autonomous driving, right? We know how a lot of systems are being visually driven now. Really excited for this technology, enabling cars to learn and adapt to their environment, everywhere from parallel parking to warning for hazards, all the way up into we even now see trucks driving by themselves. So super excited how this is growing. Tesla's leading the way with its autopilot program, and excited about that. Okay, manufacturing. I think it's fairly obvious. BMW uses AI powered tools in manufacturing, improving its precision by 20%, getting rid of human error and helping predict the flows. BMW is such an amazing case study in this for current market. You guys who love DevOps and automation, check out BMW. Okay, the for market analysis, global AI automotive markets was valued at $2 billion in 2020, and this is projected to reach $27 billion by 2023. And those utilizing AI, I think, will get a share of that, and I suspect all of them will use AI or get left behind. Let's see, AI in entertainment. How do we not talk about Netflix with its AI-driven recommendation engine that accounts for 75% of viewer choices now? So that's a big driver for customer satisfaction. I have noticed really sometimes AI, even with its notification, Netflix with its notifications, even recently, have been coming really tailored to things that I previously watched or things that are trying to encourage me to watch to bring me back on the platform. Okay, how to not talk about AI content creation. It's being used to create massive amounts of content, from scripts to music to videos to helping with SEO, to helping brainstorm, to help critique, even even in helping training people to create better content. AI has just been amazing. We know that OpenAI's GPT-3 is still being used by content creators to assist with topic writing, scripts, blogs, all kinds of media. And now with OpenAI's 4 points, whatever you want to call it, with its new O1 and its 4 Turbo, there's a lot that's going on with this. And I love the way that we're able to take a concept now, have AI help us refine that, help us critique it some, and make it better before we release that to the public. And it's even kind of creating content more fun for those of us like myself that aren't originally great writers, but who are fairly creative and can bring a lot of value through creativity. So it's kind of helping us create more engaging content. So I know it's helped me make better content. I wouldn't trust it to write the content for you. You still have to keep your finger on the pulse of it, but it's really good at helping you improve what you have. Okay, and let's see. AI entertainment market is expected to reach 13.3 billion by 2026, with that growth rate of 20%, 26, 27%. Okay. And there you have it, guys. From revolutionizing healthcare to finance to transforming retail, automotive, and entertainment, AI is truly reshaping the way that we live and work today. So we've seen how AI is not just a trend, but a complete disruptor across many, many industries. And I think it's one of those things you want to get on the boat, learn to use. Don't let it run you. We have to run AI to keep that humanity in there and keep it interesting, right? Still, even if you copy some of the best artists in history, it's still not as compelling as real human content, right? So use AI to help you make it better, but keep driving that change, right? And just know it's going to continue at an unprecedented rate. So whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or just a tech enthusiast, understanding AI's potential is going to really help you stay ahead of the curve. And just to recap, AI, it's transforming diagnostics in drugs and discovery of new medicines in healthcare. With image processing and with recognizing patterns to help find diseases faster and solutions faster. It's helping create personalized experiences and helping reduce risk management and finance, and helping people create portfolios that are more engaging for them so that they can be also more involved and help them analyze trends in the markets, and also making recommendations. A lot of amazing AI driven personalization recommendations for finance right now. And AI is really enhancing our supply chains and customer engagement in retail. It's helping doing support, customer support. It's helping making sure that products are delivered and tied in with blockchain and the confirmation of what stages things are through, especially with the use of tags technology and scanning. Things are really beginning to improve, and tracking is becoming easier. Tracking of goods delivered, and perhaps of people too, and with the potential of AI to do self-driving for cars, and optimizing manufacturing and processes and standard manufacturing all the way through automotive, through food supply chains. There's a lot going on there, and for AI to be able to help recommend content, to create content, to help curate and critique content. There's a lot that's going on. So, guys, to stay up on all this, make sure that you subscribe, like, leave your thoughts in the comments below. And I'm curious, what industries do you think AI will disrupt next? And will you be part of that disruption? Also, don't miss the next video in the series where we will discuss the most critical habits of successful entrepreneurs. So stay innovative, stay ahead of the curve. Good luck. Talk to you guys soon.